Investing in Dubai Financial Market ETFs. Welcome to Mehrullah Jamali Capital Market Insight, your go-to platform for expert analysis and insights on global financial markets. Today, we're diving into the world of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, on the Dubai Financial Market, one of the most dynamic exchanges in the Middle East. Introduction to DFM and ETFs. If you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio and tap into the growth potential of the Middle East, the Dubai Financial Market offers a compelling opportunity. One of the best ways to do this is through ETFs. But what exactly are ETFs? ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment funds that are traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. They offer a simple and cost-effective way to gain exposure to a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and commodities. Benefits of investing in ETFs. So, why should you consider investing in ETFs on the DFM? 1. Diversification. ETFs provide instant diversification, spreading your investment across multiple assets to reduce risk. 2. Liquidity. They are traded like stocks, offering high liquidity, which means you can buy and sell them easily. 3. Cost-effective. ETFs typically have lower fees compared to mutual funds, making them a cost-effective choice for many investors. Popular ETFs on the DFM. Now, let's take a look at some of the popular ETFs you can invest in on the DFM. 1. Emirates NBD Asset Management ETFs. These funds cover various segments and markets, providing diversified exposure. 2. Shuaa Capital ETFs. These ETFs offer both regional and international exposure, capturing different market dynamics. 3. Al Capital ETFs. Focused on the GCC region, these ETFs provide targeted exposure to the Gulf Cooperation Council economic bloc. How to invest in ETFs on the DFM. Investing in ETFs on the DFM is straightforward. Here's how you can get started. 1. Open a brokerage account. First, you need to open a brokerage account that gives you access to the DFM. 2. Research. Next, research the different ETFs available to find the ones that align with your investment goals. 3. Place orders. Finally, you can buy ETFs just like you would buy individual stocks through your brokerage account. Tips for successful ETF investing. Here are a few tips to help you succeed in your ETF investments on the DFM. 1. Dare stand your goals. Be clear about your investment goals and risk tolerance. 2. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and economic indicators that can impact your investments. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one ETF. Diversify across different sectors and regions. Conclusion. Investing in ETFs on the Dubai Financial Market can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and tap into the growth potential of the Middle East. Remember to do your research, understand your goals, and stay informed. Thank you for watching Mehrullah Jamali Capital Market Insight. Happy investing! For more insights and updates, follow us on social media and visit our website. See you next time.